Hey guys, it's Broden from Muso Stuff here. Yes, we are still open. We are being very careful, obviously, but we want to figure out a couple of ways that we can get you creative in your home while you're locked up in your little isolation chamber there. So today we're going to be looking at the FOCUSRITE SCARLETT SOLO STUDIO pack. So let's crack that box open and have a look. So here's what we get. We get this fresh little box there. Let's crack that open. Ooh, a bit of instruction here. So we have the actual unit, which is our Scarlett. A single XLR jack and a guitar jack there, and on the back just your standard jack ports for your line outputs. It also comes with an XLR lead for your microphone, which is also included. Fantastic little Scarlett condenser there, which is going to be awesome to get you going, and a clip to chuck on your mic stand. Now what a bonus extra is this set of headphones there, so you'll be able to listen in some actual decent clarity. If you don't have monitoring solution at your house, then you'll at least be able to hear something through your headphones there. So you can pick up the FOCUSRITE SCARLETT SOLO STUDIO with us for $379. Pretty sweet deal. If you have any trouble, we can help you set that thing up. It's literally just a matter of plugging in your computer, download the software, you'll have to register for a couple of things, and then you'll be ready to go. It comes with a copy of Ableton. Let's just see what else there is. Avid Pro Tools First is another one that it comes with, and there's a couple of really good Softube and XLN plugins that it comes with as well that are going to really be helpful to you in creating some really good sounding stuff. So thanks so much. We'll catch you in the next little product unbox review, but that was the FOCUSRITE SCARLETT SOLO STUDIO. Cheers guys.